another thunderstorm warning. I guess I could do it in my car. I guess I'm on an ear tab kick. Is that a thing? I flip the part. You want to see a wood review on my car? Listen to the thunder. That might be fun. I need some shoes. Good, just thunder. So maybe I'm having a ear tab fetish. The ear tabs are felt, and I love how they're fitting really flush across my side of my head. It's got a very long, bendable stay, but not flimsy, very stiff. And the extended nape is just like the ear tab. It's that soft felt. Thunder here in Kansas is like the movies. It rolls and growls and goes and rolls and growls. It's like growling. I just don't remember hearing thunder like that in the past. An immediate face swapper, I can give you that. I guess no lace front, but I'm okay with that. You've seen how the lace fronts look on me. It's so detectable. They're not invisible on me. I'm doing that smash thing for a contour. Please, come here, baby. Come. I'm just so tired of doing wig reviews in my bathroom or my bedroom, or I feel like I don't have a lot of time to really go anywhere else to kind of explore because of the hours now I work at night. So what is this little girl supposed to be? Just like this? Pete? Pete? Pete does not like the rain. You don't like thunder and you don't like the rain. And I can't stand the rain. What you thinking? This one's on high alert. Are you on high alert? You are. I just love that he doesn't shake. He's not a shaky chihuahua. You know, like, you know how the chihuahuas are known to shake? He's not like that. He doesn't bark. He doesn't lick. The most barking that he ever does is in his sleep. What you thinking? What you thinking? Thinking that's probably time to eat. It's muggy. mean, I can feel. Oh, I saw a big lightning bolt. He gets a thunder shirt. You don't like it. You want to go inside? Okay, go inside, see the girls? I'll be right back. Here's me going inside. Really muddy. And all that water that I put on it in the sink, it's all dissipated. But I love how it just perks up with water. Look at that. So maybe that would make a better video, I guess, to be seeing some heat on this thing to try to get the thing from flopping in my face. I brought some keys. You can hear those. Right down the middle. You know, that's my new thing. Gosh. It's kind of a weird thing to say out loud, but I really am loving the ear tap situation these days. Okay. Okay, so this is kind of cute. Maybe for church. And I can just keep going up with it. trying so hard not to pull on them because they're just not the same as regular synthetic at all. Wow, there's a lot of stretching here. Check it out. Can you see all that? This is really big head friendly. I mean really big head friendly. There is so much room in here. Oh my God. That's where it falls if you put it all the way down. Look at this nape. Look at how nice that is. And then look at those ear tabs. That's an ear tab. They're Velcro, so let me pull them way up in here. How would you go about getting this to stay up? I mean, I used to curl my hair every day. But I don't know how to curl anything now. I mean, the tools have changed. I mean, have you seen some of these flat irons that they're using? I mean, a flat iron in my day was just, you know, like tongs, flat tongs. They're like long, hot wands. Craziest things I've ever seen. I don't know how to use that stuff. Talk about old school or... It almost reminds me quite a bit of sheer drama. Happy birthday. Rolls on and on and on. I mean, is that normal? Is that just regular thunder? I mean, I guess so. I remember it sounding like bowling. Boom! And yeah, like a bowling ball rolling. Going down a little memory lane the other day, and I pulled out some old videos that really changed my journey. Thinking about sharing them with you. I mean, there's still ones online. I think I would probably always leave mine up just so you could see some styling. I think I used to style more because I could do more with my hair. You know, with work, I could do more with my hair. Now you have to have it a certain length, and that's it. So there's not much you can do behind it. PPE. I've got a 5-year plan. That's so 90s. So, let's see. I wonder if this would train it. Any style, pretty much, is a face butler. You don't know where it's at. And for me, I got a message on my phone there. That's fun. So for not having a lace front, that looks really good to me. I mean, I would wear that. I am wearing that. So I have a little bit of homework for you. Unless you've had this assignment before and you've already learned your lesson. I have a homework assignment. because I'm sure that there are some of you who've done this and have already gotten your extra credit. You want to know what it is? All right. I task you with looking at every cashier that you come before over the next few days. So, cashiers are usually, right? And they're usually looking down in their tray. Look at their hair. Look at their style. Look at their hairline. Young and old. Everyone. Every cashier. So that's the drive-through girl. That's the grocery store gal. That's the Dollar Tree attendant. The manager. And church. I think we can find ourselves so caught up in what we see in the mirror that we forget what really is reality. So I have been tasked with a little homework project of my own to write about my philosophy on the wig life, the journey that is. It's not easy to put it into words. When it gets published, I'll be sure and let you know so that you can read it and give me your feedback. This is another way to get really comfortable with your wigs too, is to take your phone and put it to the camera and then touch video and turn the lens around to face you. Prop it up. Wig review. Let's see if I can show you the sky. So what do you think of this one? It is not what I thought it would be. It's probably going to be hail. Get my keys.